Liverpool. A city that thinks and operates on an international scale. A city with a competitive business climate that is already home to some of the world's biggest companies. Liverpool has not only reshaped its iconic skyline, but has reshaped its established business base to attract further major projects and new investment. We invite you to take part in the economic renaissance.
We wanted it to be a kind of new benchmark scheme for the city, and a key part of that was to achieve a sort of BREEAM outstanding rating and act as that key catalyst really to draw people across and encourage the wider regeneration of Pall Mall. I think Liverpool's shown a really strong track record over the last 10 years of delivering major projects. I mean, the quantity of large-scale architectural and regeneration projects has been, unmatched.
Liverpool is a tremendous place for business investment. We were very keen to work with the council and other stakeholders in creating a new central business district for Liverpool. The attractiveness, I think, to any prospective investor is the opportunity to make money and a suitable return on your investment, and that's definitely the case in Liverpool.
Liverpool is a very different city than it was even 5 years ago. This is true across most aspects of business life, but is perhaps particularly visible in the retail space, where the city has jumped from 17th to 5th in the national rankings, making it the most exciting and fastest growing retail offer in the UK.
In terms of project delivery, I can't think of a city centre which actually has procured the volume of projects in such a short period of time. Certainly in the last 5 years, Liverpool has shot up the retail rankings beyond Central Village. That should also have the same effect and should encourage investment in areas slightly beyond that. For somebody who hasn't seen the city in the last 5 years, get yourself up there, go and have a look, because whether it be the new museum, the conference centre, L1, the Met Quarter, all these elements, they're excellent. Any city would be proud of them.
Liverpool's waterfront is a stunning UNESCO World Heritage Site. But there's more to the water space than its international fame. For example, the new pier head is connected to the National Canal Network. The new cruise liner terminal hosts some of the world's biggest cruise liners. And the Liverpool Boat Show in 2011 is set to attract up to 500,000 visitors. In short, the water space here is unique and is firmly embedded in business strategy. Julie Sharman explains.
Liverpool's embracing the opportunities that its waterfront offers, and that's in order to increase the opportunities for British Waterways to interact more with communities, volunteers, and also get the best value out of our waterways for the local communities within which they run. You come to a city like Liverpool, you get the value of the warm community. It's a great place to be. It's got great arts culture, music culture, and the business opportunities and workforce and the enthusiasm to bring in new investment is paramount.
Innovation and research in the city is supported by its 3 universities, leading the city's commercial knowledge renaissance, most notably in biosciences and engineering.
We're in the business of creating knowledge, which we call research, and applying that knowledge for the benefits of society that we tend to call knowledge exchange. It's that working in partnership with the companies and the universities that creates that infrastructure. And we believe that the key word in all of this is innovation. Is let's innovate to grow, to grow as an economy.
Public sector support is extremely keen to grow business opportunities within the city, from both within and from outside the city. The confidence that I've seen projected from Liverpool and the growth in terms of the knowledge economy and knowledge-related sectors, and the huge support there is from general business, from the public sector for that, was attractive to me, so I moved 100 miles to be here.
Liverpool is uniquely placed to capitalise on internal and external economic connectivity. and along these vibrant corridors, great things are already happening. These gateways offer outstanding development opportunities. Estuary Commerce Park, Liverpool International Business Park and Stonebridge Park are strategic sites of international scale and significance.
The Regional Development Agency and Liverpool Vision have introduced and installed a substantial amount of new landscaping and infrastructure into one of the main gateways into the city from the east. So the business park is very well presented to attract new businesses in, and of course one of the various gateway opportunities into the city that Vision have been producing over the years.
World trade expects world-class development, and it expects to see everybody working together. The perception of Liverpool is it's a great city, so it's there to be built upon and to be made even greater. People like to be near water spaces, they like to see activity on the water, so the developing the Liverpool water site has those two assets naturally built in. The potential is enormous to create this fantastic front porch for the Liverpool city centre.
Liverpool is a wonderful international space with a compelling business offer. But more importantly, it's a city attuned to global opportunities and global trade. You've seen here only a glimpse of those opportunities across 5 broad themes. But the detail is even more exciting and inspiring.